Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. We included this product in our newsletter last week that goes out to more than 10,000 people, and it was very popular. A lot of people purchased it. I thought it would be fun to try this. Plus, ever since it came in, I've been wanting to try it, but I had some facial hair for a while, and it really doesn't go well with facial hair. It's called the Clubman Pinaud Charcoal Peel Off Face Mask. And what you do, you apply this to your face, you let it dry, and what it does is shrinks and it draws out impurities from the skin. It's a type of exfoliant. So you should do this, say, every 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. It's good for your skin to remove all the impurities and keep your skin looking clean, fresh, and healthy. And according to the instructions, it says, apply a thin, even layer to the skin, avoiding the eye area and areas with hair. So you want to do this when you're clean shaven. You don't want to have any facial hair to apply a mask. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or until completely dry. Gently peel off mask, starting at the outer edges, and rinse the excess. So I think it's pretty thick. I'm going to give it a shake and squirt some out. It says that you can use a spatula or a brush or your finger. So I'll use my finger. I'm just going to start up here, thin coating, and I've never done a mask before. This is my first time. So we're going to see how this plays out. It'll be fun. Now you don't want to go into your hair, but you want to go next to it. All around the areas where the skin is and the hair is not. It's going to take a while to apply this, so maybe I would do a fast forward type thing in this video just to speed things up. So I'll be quiet and I'll get to work applying, and then I'll get back with you as soon as I've completed the application. Got to get that unibrow. Let's do the nose too. Of course, you do not want to get this in your eyes. Also, it says on the package that it's flammable, so I wouldn't be smoking any cigars while you're doing this either. I know I said I was going to leave, but I didn't leave, did I? I'm still here. So, just running over a few important points with you. I'm not even sure if this is too thick or too thin, but we'll find out. We'll find out if it peels off. If it doesn't peel off, then maybe I did something wrong. I'm not going to do my neck. It does have a little bit of an odor to it. Just dabs, just a couple drops at a time, a couple squirts at a time in the fingertips, like so. Keeping away from the lips as well. No cigarettes, no cigars, no pipes while you're doing this. I know how the American Indians felt applying their war paint. Okay, that should about cover it. Got the forehead, nose, cheeks, upper lip, chin. Let's see how that works out. I'll read to you everything they say about it. Charcoal peel-off face mask. A new skincare technology was developed exclusively for Clubman's revolutionary double-down black men's mask. Applying a thin layer, its rich honey-like texture goes on smoothly with a brush or spatula. You can even use your fingertip to spread the product. Allow the unique ingredients to penetrate for at least 15 minutes or until set, no liquid remaining. During the process, you will feel your skin tighten and the impurities and toxins being drawn out from the deepest recesses of your skin. You'll know that the magic has been completed when you touch the area with the mask and it feels dry to the touch. Gently remove the mask by lifting it up all the way around the application area. Remove the mask in one piece. Once the mask has been removed, the dull side shows all of the impurities drawn out from the skin. If there are any remaining bits and pieces of the double down mask, they are easily removed with water. We'll see about that. We recommend using this product once every 2 weeks. Not for guys only, this unique product will bring new life into your skincare regimen. So not for guys only, that means women can use it too. Features and benefits. Active ingredients, activated charcoal and Moroccan gasoul. Moroccan gasoul, magnesium, silicon, potassium, lithium, and other trace elements. Activated charcoal draws out toxins, debris, and impurities from the skin as it clarifies and refreshes. Moroccan gasoul helps to enhance skin clarity as it helps to lessen surface oils and blackheads. The combination of these two ingredients helps to bring new meaning to men's skincare. The tube is 3 fluid ounces or 90 milliliters. I'm sure that you can get several applications out of this tube. There's pretty much in here. It's a nice sturdy tube with a snap cap. Again, made in the USA. So what it says to do is leave it in for 15 minutes. So I've got about another 12, 13 minutes. Hopefully when it dries, it has a matte finish and then we can just start peeling it off. So I'll get back to you, go do something for 10 or 12 minutes and come back. All right, I'm back. It's been a good 15 minutes and I will say that after about 10 minutes, I could really feel my skin tightening up, my face tightening up, and hopefully it's doing its job or it's already done its job. To me, I feel like it's going to be difficult to peel this off. Just pushing it over, trying to peel off one edge of it. Okay, here we go. So you got to kind of peel off, start in one corner. It's a little bit painful coming off. I'm surprised it came off that easily though. Let's work our way down here. Okay. Okay, it's actually coming off pretty easy. Probably if I've done this before, I might know a better way to peel it. Nice. So it's kind of like peeling off dried paint. If you can get one corner and then just keep everything together and work your way around, or kind of like removing that that blue painter's tape. Look at that, pretty simple, not bad at all. Here's the leftover debris, and it's got a matte finish to it. It actually looks like crepe paper. That's what it reminds me of. Crepe paper, that stuff you string around for parties. I've got a few bits and pieces left. Rather than try to pick this off, I'll just wash this off. We'll see how easily it comes off. Wetting a cloth, just a face cloth, I'll wet the corner. And it'll probably come off easily that way. Yeah, nothing to it. Just pat the face dry after that. I'm actually surprised. I did not think that it would peel off that easily. I thought it was going to be very difficult to get it off. But it came off pretty easily, and it actually felt good in a painful kind of way. So I guess this is something that you could do once every 2 weeks to exfoliate your skin, keep it looking clean, fresh, healthy. It feels nice and tight right now. It feels very clean. Give it a try at least once. See what you think of it. Just apply it, let it soak in for about 15 minutes, let it dry thoroughly, and then just peel it off. And it came off pretty easily. I was actually pretty surprised by how easily it came off. All right, if you want to pick one of these up, just click below the video where it says show more. You can grab one right there, or go to shavenation.com, face mask. Do me a favor before I head out, smash that subscribe button down there, and then click the bell up there, ring that bell up there, and then click all, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox, and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.